we'll guide you through how to use Wix for nonprofits so you can create an impactful online presence. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on the Create New Site button. You'll be prompted to choose a category. Select Nonprofit to get templates specifically designed for organizations like yours. After choosing a template, the Wix editor will open up. Here, you can start customizing your site. Click on each section to edit text, images, and links. You can add new sections by clicking the Add button on the left toolbar. Choose from options like About Us, Events, or Donate to align with your nonprofit's goals. Wix offers a variety of apps to enhance your site's functionality. Go to the app market and search for apps like Wix Donations or Wix Events to add a donation form or an event calendar. Simply click Add to Site to integrate them. Next, you need to set up your donation method. If you added the Wix Donations app, click on it and follow the instructions to connect your payment method. This could be through PayPal or Wix's integrated payment solutions. Don't forget to customize your site's mobile version by clicking on the mobile icon in the top bar. Make sure everything looks great on mobile devices, as many users will visit your site this way. Once you're satisfied with your site's appearance and functionality, click Publish in the top right corner. Your nonprofit's website is now live and ready to make an impact. Remember to regularly update your content and check your site's analytics to see how it's performing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.